here. In fact, let's tell you, after the government urges states to enforce UPS, poll-bound Maharashtra offers UPS switch. And this becomes the first state to offer UPS to employees, what we're given to understand. This decision is 24 hours after the center's nod to UPS. That's a significant development that has come through, where Maharashtra has become the first state to offer UPS, the Unified Pension Scheme, to employees. In fact, this is hours after the central government's employees' organizations demanded that state governments implement the Unified Pension Scheme. Poll-bound Maharashtra became the first state, now has become the first state to offer a switch to its employees, in expectation that others, especially those governed by the NDA, will follow suit. But also the timing of the same, because the decision has come about 24 hours after the Union Cabinet approved UPS to offer 50% of employees' average salary for the last 12 months as pension, along with inflation adjustment and other demands of government employees.